This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of specialty work-related tools, bigger selection, and best pricing, when you need to upgrade your tools, think Value Testers. Create a free login for best pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, August 10th, 2018. This one here, we're going to call for a leaky tub faucet. It's an old style, two-handle type.
1/4 mile. Turn left on Maple Street.
And you can't get it to shut off. You got to shut the second floor off, so it might not be a hallmark moment here. So we'll see. I told the guy to go by there and see if I can help him out. You just never know with this type of stuff. If you get into it, sometimes you make more of a mess out of it.
Maple Street.
Sometimes you can fix them, sometimes you can't. So we'll see. We get the if we can bail this guy out.
Arrive at 34 Maple Street on the right.
The problem with this stripping, look at this thing. It's gonna shut the water off downstairs. See if I can fix it. Put a washer in there. Beautiful tub. Probably a washer. He had them set screws. He's tried taking it apart. He said, let's see if it's off. It's off. It's a beautiful faucet. It's the packing up there. I'm gonna take that part out. Bigger wrench. Get my spud wrench. I got the spud wrench. We'll try that out. There it goes. Oh, guy. Looks like there's wicking in there. See the wicking? It looks like the head's broken off that thing. Not looking so kosher there, Mama. Yeah, seat don't look too bad. If I get a new washer on it. Look at the metal in there. See the metal? Unbelievable. See the metal in there? That's why it's not seating. So I can grab that and put a new screw in it maybe. You got a couple of screws loose, Mama. Here we go. The head probably broke off floating around in there somewhere. That's probably what it is. She's a leaker. Yeah, she's a leaker. Alright, so we got a new washer, a new screw in there. We'll try that. That screw head might be floating in there, and that might be what's giving us the issue. We'll turn it on and see what happens. So obviously that screw head's gone somewhere. It's probably down inside the pipe. I don't know. We'll turn it on, we'll see what happens. Alright, you're gonna turn it on, we'll see what happens here. Not much left of that stuff. Now the lines come up in the back wall, and then they run up and turn to feed this valve here. And the hot didn't seem to be a problem?
No. I turned them both back on.
It works. No leaks. I want to make sure that's not leaking underneath there. We don't want no leaks. Because that's an old flipping gasket in there, you know. Oh shit, you know. Porcelain. surprised I got it all back together there. No leaks. Look at that's below the spout, below the overflow. That's all stuff.